I'm going to unmute my sound track to make sure that when I export my movie it will be included. I'm going to the File drop-down menu and Export Media. This opens up the export dialog box. I'm going to export using H.264, a popular format for exporting to social media like YouTube and Facebook. I'm going to leave the setting Match Source High Bit Rate. This will make sure it uses the source files to output to our final movie. I'm going to specify where it's going to export my rough cut to. I'm going to go onto my desktop. I'm going to go into my PR training folder. I'm going to create a new folder in here called Export. I can then export my project. This will render it from the original files. Once this is completed, I'll have a little pop-up dialog box. If I then go to my operating system, into my export folder, double click, I can see my movie exported as an MP4. And I can play it on my desktop. So we can take our clips and put them together and generate a sequence which can then be rendered out as a final movie.